Hey guys, welcome. This is Shankar back with a new video. Today I'll be unboxing the Smart Fitness Band that is buy from Smartband company. Okay, I bought it from AliExpress and let me unbox it. Let me show you. This is the box I get from the AliExpress today. And this is the box, that is Smartband fitness tracker. This is how the box look like. The other side the face clock and something they have written there. Yeah, it's nothing written here. Yes. In this side you can see that there are many options like music control, call alert, alarm time, etc. And let me tell you these things in next video. The review of this watch I will be doing in the next video. Stay tuned. And let me open the box and let me show you the band. Yes, this is the wristband I'm getting here. Yeah, it's nice. It's look good. Yeah, even the strips are very nice and it's silicone made. Wow, it's very good, guys. And this is the guidebook. So if you're a first user, you can read it and then use the watch. Then use the smart band. And what else we get? Oh, nothing else. Okay, let me put everything on the other side and let me take this smart band. Yeah, this is how the smart band look like. It has a heart sensor back side of the band, and this is how it look like. Wow, it's nice. Oh, just I charged it. The charger was empty. Now just let me peel off this cover here and back side also, heart rate sensor. Let me peel this cover. Yeah, nice. Yeah, it feel very premium, guys, for the price point. Let me wear it to my hand. Let me show you how does it look like when we wear it. Yeah, this is how it looks. It's good. Even it fit to my hand very cleanly, and it's not too tight or something like that. Yes, this screen has a complete touch screen, so you can operate it by screen itself. This is the main advantage of this smart band. It's have tons and tons of features, guys, when compared to other band. I will be reviewing this band in next video. Stay tuned. Let me open it, and this is the heart rate sensor, and it's nice. And to charge this band, you should open this what we call it as the device. Okay, and we should put into any USB charger that is accepting your wall charger or your laptop. Let me show you. Let me take my power bank and insert it, and let me show you how it does look like. How to insert it. See, this time inserted now. See, it's already charging there. You can see there it is a 65% it's charged. Yeah, it's good. So you need not to be worried to carry the separate charger or those things. It is USB charge. So this is one of the advantage, even though. To insert it, you should see that the USB should get inside the band and then you should insert it. Be careful, guys, you may also break without knowingly try to insert it. And it has many features like tracking and mind breathing and messages and more. Okay, these are some of its features, and this small button is there to get back. And if you select more, there's a lots of features and lots of options, so you can use it. It is very good, guys, to the price point. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel to view more videos like this. And one more thing, the buying link for this product is in my description. You can view it there, or you can just click on there. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day.